I'm Huntington of Mace, Vinyasa and Shala, and today's video is all about Warrior Strength, the new program I'm putting out. Alright, I don't know about you, but I really like to try things on for size before I make a purchase. So I wanted to create a little series where I pulled videos straight from my new Warrior Strength program and allowed you to try them on for size. That way you can see the level of intricacy in the movement coaching and you can decide, is this the right program for me? Now I know heavy clubs are not for everyone. Some people like just, conventional weights or maybe like yoga sculpt with tiny weights. Not everyone's into heavy club, but I will tell you, if you are somebody that loves strength and loves functional movement, you're going to love my new Warrior Strength program. So take a peek inside. I'm going to drop a little video so that you can take it for a joyride. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I hope to see you in my new Warrior Strength program. This is single-handed mills. Now I recommend starting with a 10-pound, choke up if you need to. You can use a helper hand. If you absolutely need to regress to a 7-pound mace or even a 5-pound club to get the mill down, it's order, back position, swivel, order, cast, swing, catch. Feel free to regress in weight or choke up or use that helper hand. Over time, you do want to eventually increase your load and try to get to that 10 for women, 15, and even 20s for men. All right, so be mindful of how you pick up your club. You can pull it into your order position. See that your wrist is neutral and in line with your elbow. See that your shoulder is up, down and back in that scap neutral position. From here, find your swivel, side hip root, rotate the body, cast, swing, catch, order position, back position, rotate, capture in order. Still in that side hip root. Cast, swing, catch, back position, order, cast, swing, catch. Create that traction. As your club pulls away from you, you're pulling your shoulder away from the club. Loving the Hephaestus clubs. This is the Wildman edition here, the 10-pound red club. Create that traction. Cast, swing, catch. Move through the center. So this is a primal movement pattern, which is the throwing pattern. Our shoulders were designed to throw rocks, throw a lot of other things. When the shoulders can move in this primal movement pattern, they are going to be a lot more healthy and free of injury. Last one here. Now it can be tempting to catch your club a little high and cheat it up, holding with the bicep, try to catch it down here. Let's switch sides. For a mill, it's basically an inside circle because we're moving through the midline first. Order of operations matters. Find your side hip root. Imagine staying between two panes of glass here. Cast, swing, catch. Pull your club into back position. Rotate the body. Catch in order position. Anchor elbow to rib. Cast, swing, catch. Back position. Swing, catch. Resist, pitch. So you're resisting rib flare here. Use an intelligent grip. Power breath. Track it with your eyes. This is an important aspect of performance. If you need a little helper hand, back position, swivel, catch, swing, helper finger here, back position, find that timing. Eventually take your helper hand away. Last one. And then park your club. Seat your shoulders in the scap neutral position. Chugging breath, inhale. 4 count, exhale, with your shoulders back, inhale. Brief pause, 4 count, exhale.